Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install the Bestop lock box that goes under the driver's seat. It's something that I've been kind of looking into just because there's not a lot of storage spots in the Jeep, especially something that you can lock down. Say when you have the hardtop open. I know on the daily you're not going to really keep a lot of your traveling stuff in there. Your off-roading equipment or basic tools that you would need on the trip, whatever. But I think this would be a great addition. I'm not sure yet because we need to install it. It's not really hard to do, but I'll try and give you a walkthrough, unboxing it and seeing how it works. So here it is in its box. As you can see, Bestop locking under seat storage. This is going to be the driver's side. So I'm just going to go ahead and get to opening it. So here's the front of it. Looks like it comes with some paperwork and keys, zip ties, kind of strange. Alright, there's the zip ties. Some screws. Look at that. So, a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. Get in here. Kind of open it up. Looks like inside you have your brackets. Alright. Looks like it actually has a pad in here too. Pretty nice. Things don't get scratched or scratch the bottom of it. You can kind of have support. Make sure nothing's in there. Actually goes pretty deep. So you'll have two brackets coming into this with your screws that you're probably going to need to hold down to the bottom of the box. I'm just guessing 1, 2, and 3 actually. Looks like it goes right there. Inside they are actually threaded, so that's what those screws are going to screw into. First step is going to be putting on these guys. As you can see, most of them line up. You just go with the curvature of it. Sits right there, and you can line up your holes. There are 7 screws that you'll be putting in. Alright. In my opinion, having the door off makes it a whole lot easier, so you'll grab your standard, what is this, a T50, take it off. So the next step, which I hope you can see well, is under the seat. We need to remove this clip right here and as well as this bracket. There's a little button there that you'll press down on. Comes right out. Next one you'll use a T30 on, which there is 2 bolts, one in the front and one in the back. If you can use an impact, why not? Boom. So as you can see, it is removed. Pop out the rest of the clip. And now this is where those zip ties are going to come in handy. So as you can see, I just kind of zip tied it under. I'll try and get you a better view under this just main bar here. So pretty simple. You can see it from this side as well. Nice and secure. I don't think it's going to have issues with rattling or anything. Alright, after that, move the seat back as far as it goes. I'm a pretty tall guy, so I've already got it back. Maybe even get rid of these ends here because they're kind of ugly. Next, you're going to need a good 18mm. Fits over there perfect. We're just going to undo these first two. We can raise it up just enough to slide it under. Then gently slide the box in there. Watch out for those wires. Make sure nothing's getting caught going back. You can see it's kind of loose here. So, go ahead and finish it off. Start it in. Line up the other hole. So here's your finished product. Now the question is, what can you fit in it? So here, basic trail riding kit. So this is a no. A little bit smaller. Yes. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh yes. Okay. Code reader. Decent. Okay. Snatch block. But as you can see, I can fit pretty good amount of stuff in here. Obviously no big items, but I guess the most important things you would need every day possibly. Pretty easy to fit in if you're going to go out to the trail. You can fit some basic needs in there too. Not a lot though. It's actually, yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. It is a lot smaller than I thought, but it is pretty clean. Fits in there pretty nicely. I mean, I'm going to have to run with it for, I'd say, a month or two and kind of see how I like it. Those of you guys that really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you want some more, of course. Leave some comments in the below on somehow I could have maybe done this a little bit better or easier to view for you guys. If you have any questions too, let me know. I've done an array of installs and I just decided to start videoing them. I'm going to have more to come in the future, as well as doing a lockbox in the back as well as the passenger side, and also